Hey, seventh grade. I just wanted to come on here and provide you with a little bit of instruction with your additional study guide notes for lesson number two. You do have one more assessment before the marking period ends, which is next Tuesday, October 27th. Again, your study guide is not graded by me. It is your notes for you to use on your assessments. So you can do them anywhere you want on index cards, on loose leaf paper, on a notebook. It does not matter to me. As long as you follow the instructions in this video and answer the questions, you should be good to go. So, as I reiterated last video, the study guide is a little different than what we would normally do face-to-face. So your instructions are here at the top in red. You are to copy the questions below into whatever your study guide might be. You are to review the material from previous modules or weeks and search for the answers. And then you're going to write the answers into your study guide or your notebook. So you have 3 questions that you're going to answer that will be on your quizzes review as well as your upcoming quiz next Tuesday. Number 1, cartographers who make world maps are faced with many challenges because they take the globe, which is 3-dimensional, and make it into a map projection, which is only 2-dimensional. As a result, something will always be distorted or inaccurate on a world map. What are the 4 major distortions we discussed? And this is where you're going to fill in the blanks. The distortions may include the shapes of land and water areas, the relative sizes of land and water areas, distance between places, or the angles of direction between places. Question number 2, explain why it is difficult to represent a 3D object on a 2D surface. Think back to our live Zoom project where we took the balloons, the beach balls, the pieces of fruit, drew an object on them, and then tried to make them flat. Think about that in terms of a globe versus a map. And I want you to think about the ancient maps that you were shown this week. You had 2 separate assignments. How might new knowledge based on science and modern technology influence how ancient maps look today? So if we were able to take the ancient maps that you were shown in Canvas and upgrade them using digital technology, how might this new knowledge influence how they look? Those are your notes. Stay tuned for some quizzes.